But moving on, remember the href here. This is how we link to an image to another page. Let's move on real quick. Div style, we talked about that last time, but basically what these things are right here, these parameters, these just tell your browser where you want the font to be. So we want it to be left of the page 300 pixels and right to the page 200 pixels, so it fits in a nice area there to format it. And the top, we want 150 pixels from the top. But I don't need to go over this stuff with you guys because we already went over this, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the font right here. This is what we're going to use to tell the computer that we're going to use font. As you can see, the paragraph headings, all that does is just it etches out a little space for it. So this is going to appear, and then there's going to be a line here, and then there's going to be this stuff. And this is the other thing we're going to learn. It's the same thing we've been learning with the image screen. It's really all kind of the same stuff sometimes. And so if we want to link a word to it, like lessons, then we just put the href and then the closing tag right there, and then that ends it. You don't need to put anything. You don't need to put font again. It will go right into font after this. So that's how you link a specific word. And right now I'm going to open it up just so you guys see this. We don't need all this information. This is just from my website. It's not important. So type what you guys want to type. And let's see. I already have that, so let's take this out. We already linked it up there with our image and our word right here. So let's see this. Actually, let's go to About. This is the page that we're linking to from here. Let's go to About. This I made real simple. This is just so you guys kind of get the idea of how you link, back and forth to a page. Same thing, title. Always remember, actually, to make your title different than the other one, because when Google, when a search engine searches out your stuff, it's not going to know the difference between the pages if they're all titled the same, and it will make people searching for your page, will make it a whole lot easier for them. And this one, we're just going to do black background color, black, 000, red, green, blue. And here's another paragraph, and this is, we're going to link back to the main. We're going to link back to this document we've been working on. And so, as you can see, we already went over all this. The top, the left, we already went over all this. And the image SRC, this is actually going to be the background picture that we used for main.html. And we're going to size it much, much smaller so you guys can see how you can manipulate pictures in this. And /a and /div, we don't need this second /div, but it wouldn't actually hurt it if we did it. But it's just good idea to keep your code clean. Alright, so everything looks good here. Alright, let's run this. Let's run it right now. Alright, we're going to go to main.html, and forget this animation thing, I don't know why I had that up there. But main.html, let's click it. And remember, as you can see here, this is the background image. It just repeats and repeats and repeats. And that's the .jpeg that we're using. Okay, and as you can see, this is a very, very ugly page. This is just to give you guys an example, but we have all the text we posted here, and we have the About button right there, and this, which link to the same exact thing, which is our second document, which is About. So let's click About here, and as you can see, here's the picture that we put up there. Right here, here's the picture that we put. It's actually, let's see, it's right here, and this is what we were doing, and this is the same thing we were using for the background. That's actually my website, don't pay attention to that. The background, as you can see, we linked back to this, we linked back to our main site like this, and you guys, I think this pretty much covers it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm sorry to rush through this. It's just with YouTube videos, you gotta make them short, and I always go way too long. But remember, I'm gonna put the code up on my website, so go to dieahero.net. Let's go to my website real quick just so you guys know where to get more information and more videos that you want. Let's go here. And for some reason this isn't working. Oh, because I put .html. That's stupid. Alright, and go to my website. You know, I have lessons put up. I have HTML, all the stuff there, but we already went over that. I'd like to thank you guys for listening, and I will post another tutorial on HTML shortly. Remember, go to www.diahero.net for the latest on HTML and all the other programming languages. But I'll just keep these things up for about 3 seconds, just so you guys can pause the YouTube screen if you want to see it. So, 1, 2, 3, and that's the about. And 1, let's zoom out. Hopefully you guys can see this on here. It's kind of long, but 1, 2, 3. Pause it if you want to write down the code. Alright, thanks guys.